everybody, welcome to Let's Do a Thing 101. That's right, we're coming back today with another video on the mother sauces. We're continuing our progression through the 5 classic French mother sauces. And today, we're going to do a velouté. Okay, so we've got all our ingredients here for a velouté. And this is a really simple sauce. It comes together real quick, and it actually has a decent amount of flavor here. We got 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cracked white pepper, and of course, 2 cups of chicken stock. Hi y'all. Okay, so we've got our burner set up. Again, this is just like the bechamel sauce. We want to keep this on a fairly low heat. We're going to take our butter here, throw that in, just get it melted a little. Again, don't really want any color on this. We want it just to start to bubble a little bit and melt. That bubbling is extra water basically evaporating off of this. So we're going to let this melt for a second. So you can see now that our butter is foaming just slightly. The bubbles are getting much bigger, which means that we're almost done. We've almost eliminated all the water in there. We're going to take our 3 tablespoons of flour, sprinkle this in here. We're just going to whisk this together. We want to cook this flour really low and slow. We don't want any color on this because this is supposed to be a pretty clear sauce. And we're just going to let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes. We just want to take the raw flour taste off of this, and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so we have just a little bit of color here, not much at all. This is cooked out for about 2 to 3 minutes. And all we're going to do now is kill the heat. And you can use any type of stock that you want for this. Today we're using chicken stock, but you could use vegetable stock, you could use fish stock, really beef stock, whatever you want to make with it. I prefer chicken stock. It's easy and it tastes really good and it goes with most dishes. So we're just going to add this in here. We're just starting in small increments here until it all gets mixed together. And I'll dump the rest in. We'll turn our heat back on. We can have a little bit higher flame with this. And I'm going to just add our white pepper to this. And mix that all together. Now we're going to let this sit here and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. You can go longer if you're putting more aromatic things in there, but we're just sticking with a pretty basic sauce. We'll taste it after it's done and see if we need to add any salt, because a lot of the chicken stocks that you buy in the store can be pretty salty, so give it a minute. Okay, so this has been simmering for about 20 minutes now. It's reduced, it's very thick. Again, it's very much like the bechamel sauce. You can just run your finger through it. It holds the shape on the back of the spoon there. Now, we're going to go ahead and taste this. And yeah, that could use a little bit of salt. So we're going to take just a pinch. You can do it to your taste. It's up to you. As everybody in here knows, I like a little bit of salt. Probably to a fault. Just mix that in. And you can see just that beautiful color. Nice, smooth, smells wonderful. That's pretty much the sauce. And that's velouté. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this recipe. This is less of a recipe, I guess, really, more of just a technique that everyone should know. Again, this is just one of those sauces that you need to have in your back pocket. You may never ever make this sauce, and that's fine, but you'll be missing out on some of the best culinary basics that there is to offer. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe down here. Like the video. We greatly appreciate it. To all of our subscribers, of course, you guys know you're the best. Guys, gals, everybody, you're the best. Thank you so much. Until next time, go do a thing.